Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit an audio in CapCut. So this is just a basic audio editing. So I'm going to just add the audio first. So I'm going to add a random audio to my video. Just click on a plus icon, and there are a few things on audio that you can edit. So if you want, you can just click on the audio file, add it to the timeline, and here if you want to split some parts of the audio, you can just go to where you want to split, for example in here, and after that it will be split it like this. And if you want to delete, just click on the part that you want to delete and click on it, and click on the delete button at the bottom. And after that, if you want to add some fade effect, you can just click on the audio and click on fade. Here you can adjust on how long you want to add the fade in or fade out effect. Click on the check icon when you're done, and here you can also adjust the volume of the audio. You can make it low or make it louder like this. And you can also add a voice effect. You can adjust the speed. You can like make it faster, or you can make it slow. Okay, and if you want, you can also, if there is some noise in the audio, you can also reduce it by go to the reduce noise option and enable it on CapCut until it turns to blue like this. Okay guys, so that's the basic audio editing on CapCut. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.